Hello, my name is Fornaro. I'm working for Imatec, Australian company, and let's say that I am Director of Sales and Marketing in EMEA region. That means Europe, Middle East and Africa. RubbaFIX is my branch where I'm working for. And let's say it's a new total solution to repair conveyor belt and not only, all the consumable rubber and equipment. As you can see, RubbaFIX is total new concept, only one product. You don't have to mix. The product is ready to be used. You just have to put the product inside of the application equipment. Small one for a small repair and big equipment for a bigger repair. The benefits of RubbaFIX compared to the other product is, as I say, only one product, nothing to mix, very safe for the person that is applying, and safe for the ambient. They have all the products, black and white, which are the same product, have the FDA approval, anti-sparking product, and you use 100% of the product that you are buying. If some product will left inside of the application gun, you can using the day after, week after, or 1 month later. It doesn't age. So makes the product extremely convenient. And what we are looking for is to make a bigger network in this area and also in the other area where we live. Regarding the adhesion of the product, it's excellent, and is exactly the adhesion of the rubber on the rubber. What to say more? If you have any question, please let me know.